Hello, everyone. I'm Megha Daga, Director of Product Management, AI and IoT at Qualcomm. My topic today is going to talk about the key challenges of fragmentation that we are facing today in Edge AI in IoT, and what initiatives Qualcomm has been taking and is working on in resolving these key challenges and enabling Edge AI at scale in the field of IoT. So with that, let's start. To begin with, let's just talk about the term Edge AI itself. What is Edge AI? Edge AI to me refers to the intelligence that is moving very close to the source itself, to the data generator. Due to several key drivers that we know of today, like privacy, cost, latency, reliability of the data, bandwidth, it's eminent that the intelligence has to move to the edge. It's no longer the trend where most of your intelligence could happen onto the cloud. So with that, Edge AI is the new wave for AI in IoT. In fact, it is the today's wave. This is what is happening now as we speak. Most of the intelligence is happening on the device or close to the device itself.